I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tune a Subaru WRX. Tuning your WRX can unlock significant performance gains, boosting both horsepower and torque. However, it's absolutely critical to approach tuning with caution to maintain engine reliability and prevent costly damage. Your car's engine control unit, or ECU, is the brain, controlling everything from fuel delivery to ignition timing. Any performance modifications you add will require the ECU to be recalibrated to ensure everything works in harmony and safely. A great starting point for many WRX owners is the Cobb access port. This handheld device plugs into your car's diagnostic port, allowing you to flash your ECU with new software. You can choose from pre-made or off-the-shelf maps designed for common modifications, or opt for a custom tune. Beyond flashing, the access port acts as a multi-gauge display, providing real-time data on critical engine parameters. Even on a completely stock WRX, an access port can improve throttle response and smooth out power delivery, making the car much more enjoyable to drive. Once you have an access port, you can begin adding performance parts. A cold air intake and a performance exhaust system are common first steps, improving airflow and giving your WRX a more aggressive sound. A performance downpipe, which connects directly to the turbocharger, can significantly increase horsepower by around 10 and helps prevent uncontrolled boost increases. Upgrading your intercooler is also vital, as it cools the air entering the engine, maintaining consistent power. For higher power goals, larger fuel injectors and a more robust fuel pump are necessary to ensure adequate fuel delivery. To truly maximize your WRX's potential and ensure safety, a professional dyno tune or e-tune is highly recommended. This customizes the ECU settings precisely for your car's unique modifications and local fuel. For a modified WRX, safe boost levels generally range from 17 to 21 psi, depending on your setup. When it comes to air-fuel ratio, a target of around 11.0 to 11.5 to 1 at wide-open throttle is often sought for optimal performance and engine cooling. Remember, the goal is a balanced and reliable build, not just peak numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.